This short video shows you some of the features of the new Digital Classical Languages K-10 syllabus. You can access the syllabus at curriculum.nsw.edu.au, or you can just Google New South Wales curriculum and it will be the first link that appears. Make sure that immediately you bookmark the page because you'll be using it a lot. You can see that you can access by primary or secondary, but we're going to access it by going here in learning areas and then clicking on languages. Here we see all the K-10 languages syllabuses. The syllabuses which are available in the new digital format have the red line on top of the box. Now we're going to click on Classical Languages K-10 syllabus. And here it is. The Classical Languages K-10 syllabus is organized as a framework that can be used to teach any classical language in New South Wales. Classical languages are no longer spoken as a first language. As you can see, the syllabus is now in digital format, and you can find all the elements of the new syllabus via these tabs across the page. In this mid blue bar, you can see that there is a drop-down arrow, and when we click on it, we can see the implementation timeline. We use the new syllabus to teach from 2024 in K-6, the mandatory 100 hours, and any elective courses beginning in 2024. Let's take a look at the syllabus now, starting with course overview. This provides some key information related to the syllabus, including course requirements, how the syllabus is structured, information about access content points, which are new and support students with significant intellectual disability, life skills, and information about how much time to spend on outcomes and content. Going back up to the tabs at the top, we can see the rationale, then the aim of the syllabus, and outcomes. In the Outcomes tab, we can click on Compare Outcomes and then select the ones that we want to see. So you can select and unselect. In this case, I will go Stage 4 and Stage 5. And then we click Done. Now we have the outcomes. For Stage 4, there are 3 outcomes, and for Stage 5, there are also 3 outcomes. If we click Show Related Outcomes, it will bring up the related life skills outcomes. There are then 2 ways to access the content for each outcome. We can click here on the Content tab, or we can click on Show Aligned Content. I will unclick the life skills for now. This brings up the Show Aligned Content, these hyperlinks. Then we can use these hyperlinks to have a look at each outcome. When we're viewing the content, we can see the focus area on the left-hand side in this dark blue box. In this case, it's understanding texts. The Stage 4 outcome is then underneath it, and this is how it's set out. CL for classical languages, 4 for Stage 4, UND for understanding texts, and 01 as it is the first outcome in this focus area. The outcome itself is interprets and responds to information to demonstrate understanding of a range of predictable texts. The second outcome in this same focus area is right underneath it, CL4 UND02, translates a range of predictable texts into English. On the right-hand side, we can see the content. We can see the content headings and the dot points. All of this is considered essential learning in order for students to be able to demonstrate the outcomes. A really nice feature of the digital syllabus is that you can choose to see examples. We click on Show Examples, and examples appear beneath each content point. These can be toggled off or on. Another feature that we really like is the Show Teaching Advice. Teaching advice is available for each stage and focus area. Over on the left here, we can see the remaining focus area, intercultural understanding, and it is also set out the same way. If we continue on and go to the Assessment tab, we can see there is advice on assessment, a link to the Common Grade Scale, and the course performance descriptors for Stage 5. Also, there is a glossary and teaching and learning support, which has downloadable documents with generic support. NESA will continue to add more support here. It is important to know that you can also download the syllabus and print a hard copy. You can select the stages and elements you want, so whichever stage you want. In this case, we want stages 4 and 5 and life skills, and which syllabus elements we want. So you can select any or all of them, whichever ones you want. And then download as a Word document. If using the syllabus as a hard copy, it is critical to continue to check the online version for relevant additional teaching and learning support or other information that may be updated or provided. Thank you.